In a magical forest where trees could talk and rivers could sing, lived a group of adorable cartoon animals. Each creature in this enchanting forest held a unique charm. There was a clever fox, known for his quick wit and sharp mind. A playful rabbit, always seen hopping about, spreading joy and laughter. A wise old owl, whose wisdom was as profound as the night sky. And a cheerful squirrel, whose energy was as boundless as the forest itself. Every now and again, these charming animals would gather for an event unlike any other. This was no ordinary gathering, but a grand celebration that filled the forest with a symphony of laughter, chit-chat, and playful banter. It was a time for the animals to share tales, play games, and revel in the magic that only their forest could offer. However, as the gathering was in full swing, a disagreement arose between the playful rabbit and the clever fox. The playful rabbit and the clever fox, best of friends, had a disagreement over a game. In the heart of the magical forest, a game of hide-and-seek had sparked a little controversy. The rabbit claimed that the fox had cheated, while the fox, quick-witted as always, simply responded with a sly grin. The rabbit's fluffy tail twitched in annoyance and his soft round eyes filled with tears. The fox, feeling a pang of regret, struggled to find the right words to apologize. His clever mind, usually filled with witty remarks and playful jests, was suddenly at a loss. The forest seemed to hold its breath. The usually chirpy birds fell silent and even the wind seemed to pause, adding to the tension. In the midst of this, the wise owl, perched high on a branch, watched the scene unfold with thoughtful eyes. Seeing the rift between the friends, she decided it was time to share a story. Gathering all the animals around, the wise owl began to tell a story of forgiveness. She spun a tale of two dear friends, a playful rabbit and a clever fox. They had a disagreement, a falling out over a simple misunderstanding. The fox, in his haste, had hurt the rabbit's feelings. The rabbit, feeling upset, held on to his anger. But, the owl explained, holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. It's we who get burned. The wise owl continued, explaining that forgiveness is a magical balm. It soothes the heart and mends friendships. It's like releasing a heavy burden we've been carrying around. By forgiving, we let go of the hot coal, the negative feelings, and we become lighter, happier. The clever fox, understanding his mistake, apologized to the rabbit, and the rabbit, learning the value of forgiveness, accepted the apology. The magical forest was once again filled with laughter and harmony.